For decades, Mobil Industrial Lubricants have developed technology-leading lubricants for many industries and applications around the world. Take, for example, hydraulic systems, which are the lifeblood of your industrial equipment. From the pump to the valves, from the filter to the piston, consistent control helps equipment performance, and that can mean increased productivity. Hydraulic oils play an important role in delivering productivity to your business. But the Mobil DTE 10 XL series goes even further. With quantifiable increases in hydraulic efficiency, now you get enhanced performance with increased efficiency. It represents a new category in hydraulic oils. To demonstrate its hydraulic efficiency, Mobil DTE 10 XL was tested in a typical vane pump against ExxonMobil's standard hydraulic oils under controlled conditions over a 30-minute period. Mobil DTE 10 XL on the left-hand side runs cooler and ends the test with an operating temperature 6 to 7 degrees centigrade lower than ExxonMobil's standard hydraulic oil. When measured, this equates to a 6% improvement in hydraulic efficiency. Field testing also delivered up to 6% improvement in hydraulic efficiency. In separate long-term tests, 4% and 6% improvements in fuel consumption were recorded in hydraulically driven loaders and excavators, respectively. Mobil DTE 10 XL offers improved oil life compared to ExxonMobil's standard hydraulic oils, whilst maintaining outstanding hydraulic system cleanliness and component protection. It demonstrated the value of its high viscosity index and outstanding shear stability by operating successfully in temperatures as low as -34 degrees centigrade and by maintaining ISO VG class, setting it apart from ExxonMobil's standard hydraulic lubricants. Designed for a wide range of industries, from manufacturing to steel, marine to construction, energy and power, mining, plastics through to pulp and paper, with high or low temperature performance in the harshest of environments, Mobil DTE 10 XL performs when you need it most. We are proud of Mobil DTE 10 XL and its performance profile. So much so that we are awarding it our first energy efficiency logo, so you can identify it for your needs. Turn to Mobil DTE 10 XL for all your hydraulic oil needs and watch your productivity soar.